everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this DIY cream so it helps us sweat a little bit more during our workouts. If you want to see how I made it, well, keep on watching. Okay guys, these are the items that we're going to use for our cream. I do want to do a quick disclaimer. Remember, if you're allergic to any of these items, please do not use them on your skin. Also, I am not a doctor. This is just something that I use for myself. I love the results I get when I work out from these. It just helps me sweat a little bit more. I do use this when I'm going to do like my ab routine. I'll put it all over my back, my sides, and my belly, because that's where I put my sweat belt on, and it helps me just sweat a little bit extra when I work out. So let's get started. Okay everybody, so we're going to start with 2 teaspoons of vapor rub, and we're going to put those into our bowl. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of alcanfor, Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add that into our bowl with everything else. Finally, we're going to add our alcohol, and we're going to add 3 teaspoons of this to our mixture. Okay guys, so we are going to start mixing everything together. As you can see, my cream is a little bit watery. That is due to the alcohol because I added a little bit too much. However, I do go back and I add everything again except for the alcohol, which that's going to give us a better, thicker, creamier cream, and that is what we want. Once you are done with your cream, you're going to get this thicker, nice consistency, and this is what we want. Once you are done, you can stick it in the fridge or keep it at room temperature, whatever you like. It's your preference. I like to put it in the fridge just because I like the feeling of it nice and cold when I put it on. Like I said, I love to use this cream for my workouts just because it helps me a little bit more during my workout to sweat. I love it. You could also use this on your legs, your arms, your back, wherever you need a little bit of help to sweat more during your workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can get my notifications and you won't miss any of my videos. And y'all guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!